I want to discuss a little bit more about these hairspring escapements. I told you that you can adjust them, and you can see the clock is running really well here. If I was to stop the escapement, put a pair of pliers on this bushing right here, and turn it, you could see that I'm changing the pin in the pallet fork. And if I change it even more, it's lifting the pallet fork. I let go. It will eventually stop. I'm going to change it a little bit more just so for the purpose of this demonstration. Sorry, I had a cough. But if I was to change it more, it will stop eventually because it's out of tune. And there it is completely stopped. And that's because the pin on the pallet fork, the pin on the escape wheel is here, and the pallet fork can't go back and forth on, it's not able to push the pallet fork back and forth. So in order to fix it, you grab a hold of that bushing again with your pair of pliers, which is right here on the hairspring, and you rotate the wheel so it's in the pallet fork. And once you see the tooth of the escape wheel move, you let go. I'm going to do that again. Now the tooth of the escape wheel moved, and so the clock is in beat again. I want to show that to you one more time. Hopefully I can get the camera angle right so you can see everything that's going on. Now the pin on the hairspring escapement here is not in the pallet fork. It's not allowing the pallet fork to go back and forth. So you grab a hold of the bushing with a pair of pliers and
you have a theme song. What's your theme song? Da, 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 da.
And what you're doing is you're gonna look for the tooth. This is the pallet fork. This is the teeth on the pallet fork. You're gonna look for this escape wheel right here to move. So grabbing a hold of a pair of pliers, bushing with a pair of pliers. You move the wheel until you see the escape wheel move. got it all out of whack here. So I can get it back in whack. When you're doing things on camera, sometimes it doesn't go the way you want them to do. Stand by.